Hi viewers, in this video you will learn regarding HLookup formula used in Excel. So first you have to understand given data in table. In this column all employees of one company and this one areas, selling areas north, south, east and west. So I have to check one by one all areas sales regarding these employees. So here I put Zishan, one employee. I took the Zishan and selling area west. This one manually I put here, means Zishan, go right, scroll right, in east, west area, $1,350. This one manual. So how I will use HLookup here, just put is equal to sign, HLookup tab, and the first asking lookup value. So I have to select this cell because I have to put one by one all areas here, and I will get the sales regarding these areas of Zishan here, comma, and now I have to select the table, entire table. When you going to select the table, so just keep in mind the first row should be the lookup value, comma, and now you have to put the number of rows, which row you want, and it is data of I need check the sales of Zishan. So Zishan in which row with respect to this table, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in the fifth row. So I have to put 5, comma, if I need exact value, so I have to put 0, or you can put also on the place of 0 is exact match, false, but I will put 0, both is same, it's okay, you can use anyone. Enter. Just check the value. Zishan sales in west area $1,350. So if I want to check the sales in the north side, so just copy and paste here, north. In the north side, sales of Zishan is 1,100. Just check here, Zishan in north side 1,100. Actually this formula is used for when you have so many numbers of columns and so many numbers of rows, the data is very huge you have in the table, so very difficult to find the values with respect to one column and the rows to other column and row. So that time you have to use HLookup formula. That's it in this video.